Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will tell you how to change shipping address on Shein after making an order. So, have you ordered a perfect outfit on Shein but realized your shipping address is wrong? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial I'll show you exactly how to update your shipping address after placing an order on Shein. So firstly, log in into your Shein account through the app or website. Once logged in, go to the profile by tapping Me section on the app or on your account icon on the website. Next, click on My Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Find the order for which you need to update the address. Now tap on the order to view the details. If your order hasn't been shipped out yet, you'll see an option to change the address. Click on Modify Shipping Address or a similar option depending on your region. Enter the correct shipping address. Double check everything, including the zip code and contact details, then save your changes. Shein will send you a confirmation of the updates. But what if your order is already shipped? Unfortunately, once the order is on its way, you can't change the address. However, you can contact the shipping provider directly with your tracking number and see if they can reroute it. And that's basically it. Remember to always double check your shipping details before placing an order. If this tutorial helped, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.